ISIS, I'm shitting on that motherfucker. Fuck you. So we need to go get some gas, and we're gonna take a little detour on the way home because I saw one of those polyester or whatever, nylon, whatever material they're made out of, one of those flags, American flags, in the ditch. And that doesn't fly with me, baby. That doesn't fly with me. So if I have the chance, an opportunity, I'll always stop and pick it up. Now, oh, come on, lady. I am sick as fuck. I've been sick the past 3 or 4 days now. And the first day I went to the gym, look, here's the thing. Well, I haven't been since. And my take on the whole, like, sick and going out and stuff, get over it, because people get sick. That's part of life, right? That's just part of the human experience, man. People get sick, and there's nothing you can do to stop it, you know. And if you pretend, or not pretend, but if you, like, isolate yourself, so that you never do get sick, well, what fuck, dude, when you do eventually get sick, your immune system is so underworked, it's not going to know what the fuck to do. It's going to freak out. Now, I'm not a doctor, but think of it like this. Think of it as you're in the gym. You haven't been in the gym in years, but you decide to go to the gym, and you work out hard as fuck. Well, since you haven't been in so long, your muscles they're going to be sore as shit, and it's going to take them a long time to recover. So anecdotally, when I was in Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri for MOS school, back in Marine Corps days, now we did PT and we train, but we don't go to the gym. It's a common misconception that all Marines are just jacked. It's not true. So I hadn't gone to the gym in forever. That dude's just oblivious. I hadn't gone to the gym in forever. My buddy, I don't remember his name, but my friend at the time, roommate, he's like, let's go to the gym. So we go to the gym, we do a shit ton of bicep curls, right? You know, he goes to the gym all the time, so he's used to this kind of thing. I had T-Rex arms for days after. I couldn't extend my arms all the way. So I overworked the fuck out of my biceps, right? So the same thing can be said about your immune system. You know, you have to expose it to stuff it's not used to so it can improve. And that way, let's say you catch a bug, you get a virus, well, your body will say, well, fuck, dude, we have we kind of know what's going on here, so we're gonna, use the information we have and tackle this motherfucker, you know? Doesn't mean you're not gonna get sick, but you're not gonna fucking die. You know, as opposed to, let's say someone's never been exposed to any of our viruses, ever. They come from the moon where there's no viruses, and they show up on Earth, and they get the flu. Chances are that motherfucker's gonna die without medical intervention. So anyway, right, I've been sick. I went to the gym that first day. And I haven't been since because my body's just, I feel like it's just too much. Like my body's just fucked right now. So, oh cool, side by side. Right on. That's dope. Oh, I did my mom wave. Oops. My bus driver wave. So yeah, I'm feeling like absolute dog ass. And, love it. Fucking love it. So I've been doing my due diligence, taking my zinc, you know, taking my men's daily vitamin and all that shit. You know, vitamin C, it helps, but it's not like a fucking save your life type miracle fucking vitamin. But so I got my zinc, I got my vitamin C, I got my men's daily, I got magnesium, got my protein, my creatine, you know how it goes, all that shit. I did take Sudafed. I'm not a huge fan of pharmaceuticals. You know, I don't really like taking Dayquil, Sudafed. I refuse to take, what are they called? What's heroin? What is that? It's a, anyway, you got like Vicodin and Valium or whatever, any of those pain meds. I refuse to take them. One, they don't agree with my stomach. Two, the fucking whatever it is epidemic is insane. You know, it's almost like they want you to get hooked on this shit. You know, pretty sure all of us, doesn't matter who you are, what lifestyle you live, or what background you have, what area you live in, your tax bracket, all of us have some friend, coworker, loved one, whatever, who's addicted to some sort of narcotic. And the crazy thing is, you wouldn't know. You know? Anyway, I'm sorry, I gotta apologize. I'm just not all there. I didn't make any video yesterday. I didn't even edit anything yesterday. So I'm behind on my videos. Just by a day, but I'm not feeling 100%. Yesterday was even worse, bro. I was 1 out of 10. If you were to ask me how I felt, bro, 1, maybe 2. And today, maybe 2, maybe 3. But here's what I am going to do. I'm going to do something. You know, because yesterday I came home and I just sat on the couch and I looked at TikToks and I was just fucking hanging out with my wife, which is fun and good. I did the dishes, but I mean, half-assed. You know, I could have fit the dishwasher full of more stuff, but I didn't. What up, horsies? So yeah, I'm just, I hate it. So what I'm gonna do when I get home is, if you've watched me pull in, if you watch towards the end of my video, when I pull into my house, there's a pallet sitting out front that's been there for months. I'm gonna take that shit back into the house. Not in the house, because it's outdoor paving tiles. I have a bunch of sand in the backyard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dig. I'm making a path in my front yard. Well, not front yard, my side yard, where my front door leads out of. Into the backyard, there's just like this gravel type path. The dogs don't like to run on it. Pea gravel gets in between their toes, they don't like it. We don't like to walk on it because we have fleshy human feet. So we just walk around it. Anyway, to combat, because rainy season's coming. I did a video already about rain, riding in the rain. Rainy season's coming, so I don't want to track any more mud into the house than I have to. So we're gonna get started and hopefully finish, because I do have 3 hours. Hold on, this thing is right here. else pick it up? Oh, someone else picked it up. Fuck yeah. I love Molalla, bro. I love this town. Small town America, dude. Fuck, I love small town America, man. Someone else saw that and said, fuck no, not on my watch. We take our flag very, very seriously here in America, the United States. USA, USA, USA. I used to argue with people, like I would, because I don't expect you to hold the same values I do, but I do expect you to treat the American flag with dignity and respect. Okay? Just how I would, for example, if I saw an Australian flag on the ground, I would treat that with dignity and respect. I would pick that up, I would fold it up the way it's supposed to be folded, and if it's tattered and if it's unserviceable, I'll dispose of it properly. You can take it to the fire department, the police station, the Foreign Legion, the Veterans of Foreign Wars, Elks Lodge, bunch of different, Home Depot. They have flag disposal areas, and what they do is there's a certain way to dispose of them, whether they're made from canvas or if they're made from nylon, Cordova, whatever, anything. Now the way we were taught, if I remember correctly, I might be talking shit here, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure. Memory's starting to fade. Old. I'll be 34 in a couple of days. You fold it up. Okay, there's a certain way to do that. And you burn it. You don't just throw it in a fucking fire pit. There's a, it's with dignity and respect, remember. So, now, will I do that for every flag ever? Fuck no. ISIS? I'm shitting on that motherfucker. Fuck you. Hell no. But otherwise, yeah, we're good. We're good. Now I'm talking nation flags, okay? Flags of nations. I'm not talking Seahawks flags, 49er flags, stuff like that. Even the rainbow flag. Sorry. Sorry. Well, sorry, not sorry, actually. Doesn't mean I don't like or respect you as a person. As a person, yeah. Sure, yeah. Well, it doesn't mean I have to like you. You know? Just like I don't have to like everybody. You know? For example, I don't personally like Charlie Kirk. I like what he says. I think he says some good shit. He's logical as fuck. It's hard to argue with him. Do I like him though? Dude, he seems like a fucking dick. You know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't want to fucking drink with him. So, yeah. Who else out there? who else do I not like their fucking, like, political opinion, but I like Obama. Like, he seems like he'd be, like, you know, regardless of what he may or may not be guilty of doing, right? Which there's, you know, Pizzagate and all that other shit. Whether or not it's true, I don't know. Some shit just seems weird. I'd drink with that motherfucker, you know what I mean? Talk shit around a fire, smoking some stogies. Younger Bill Clinton would be fucking a hoot to hang out with. For sure. Who else? Elon Musk. I'd kick it with Elon Musk. Joe Rogan? No, I don't think I would. He seems like the kind of guy, like, you're just trying to chill, but he'd press you with a bunch of fucking shit. Like, yo, dude, we're just trying to relax, bro, alright? This is your podcast, relax. Joey Diaz, maybe. So, anyway, fucking whatever. Sorry, I'm just so fucking out of it. I gotta go shit for sure. First things first. Let the dogs out of their kennels. Take a fucking mean grump. And then start hauling shit. Well, maybe I'll make some food. I don't know. Maybe I'll microwave a burrito. And then, with eggs. And then I will, I'll start working on the fucking pavement. I was thinking about it. I don't know if I'm gonna fucking, I could go live or whatever, I don't know. I'm sick, I'm tired. But I want to do something, but I don't want to do anything like too much. Anyway, hey, thanks for kicking it with me. I hope I don't get you sick through the internet. You know, make sure you're taking zinc and shit and your vitamins and whatever. Drink plenty of water. Look both ways when you walk the street, and I'll see ya in the next video.